Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lydia Isaac. Hope you're all doing great. Yes guys, so today I'm so excited. I'm always excited, but today I've got you guys some beautiful nice improvement in the building. Yes guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing my little baby here, Canon EOS M50 vloggers kit. Yeah! So guys, I got myself a Canon EOS M50 vloggers kit. It comes with the camera, the lens, the Rode microphone, the memory card, and a gorilla tripod. Yes guys, so I'm going to be unboxing this with you guys today. Please do stay tuned and watch this unboxing with me. And if you're new to my channel, thank you very much for clicking on my video. You're so welcome. Please don't forget to hit that red button, subscribe, click on that notification icon so you'll be notified anytime I post videos that I'm going to be making with this little baby here. And to my returning subscribers, you guys know I love you all. Thank you very much for your love, your support. If you're not watching my video, I won't be here screaming, hey! Thank you guys, I love you all. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to show you how this box look like. Yes guys, so let's continue with the unboxing. For the start, it comes with the vlogger's kit guide. So I'm going to be reading that through because I'm a novice. I haven't used anything like this before. I've been vlogging on my Samsung A6. So this is my first time getting a camera. This is my first time, and I'm going to try to watch more videos on YouTube to learn how to use it. Thank God for YouTube. You can always learn anything you want from YouTube. Yes guys, so in here I have my Rode microphone. So guys, that voice is going to be popping out. So this is how it looks like. This is how the microphone looks like. I'm going to be opening it, but I'm going to try my best to make this video short so I won't bore you guys. So I have my 32 gig memory card for my camera, and okay, I think this should be the battery. Yeah, I have the battery pack. It comes with one battery, I guess. And oh my god, what is this? Okay, let's go for this. Oh, this is an empty pack. I'll keep it. And it comes with this baby. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Canon EOS M50. So I'll put that aside. Let me empty the pack first before I start unboxing each one. And it also comes with, oh my goodness, Lydia is gonna be a vlogger. Oh my god, don't even bother about my English right now because this Canon is giving me that, what am I going to call it? That accent, babe, accent. I got my gorilla tripod. Come, this Canon, relax, because the way you're just giving me this kind of English, I don't understand. This is not me, babe. Relax. Alright, so first of all, let's start with the Rode microphone. Let's unbox it. I don't want to rough the pack because I'm going to be needing it in future. So I'm just going to be extra careful while trying to unbox it. I like saving my box in case I need to save it anytime. Oh, okay. I hope you guys can see me, but I'm not the center of this video today. Yeah. Oh, I thought the microphone looked bigger than what I always see on YouTube. But this is how it is. This is the Rode microphone that comes with the vlogger's kit. And it also have its own user guide here. So that is that. And this is our tripod. Oh, come on, Lydia. I look like a village woman. Alright. So this is our tripod. Oh, am I destroying it right now? Oh my god. Oh, it looks smaller. Thought it was bigger, but it's okay. So this is what the tripod looks like. And this is the camera. No, I don't know what this is, but I'm definitely going to try to read the user guide. This is where you mount your camera, and this is where you like unloosen it, tighten it, depends on how you want it to bend. Yeah, so that's it. And my main. All right. So guys, I'm going to unbox the camera. Oh my god. This is the user guide. It's a lot, it's big, but I'm not going to go through this when I have lots of YouTube videos to watch to know more. Alright. This is the strap. My tongue sometimes fails me, so don't worry. This is the Canon EOS that you're going to use to strap it on your neck. Okay. Alright. And this is, oh, I think this is the camera. Oh my god. Okay. So guys, this is the camera body. Oh my goodness. It's so small. I love the size. It's not that heavy, not that big. Canon EOS M50. I love the size. Wow. So this is the flip screen where you can see yourself while recording. If you want to see yourself while recording, you use the camera here to face yourself and you see yourself while you're recording. Like when I'm making recipes, I can definitely twist it to like see what I'm doing underneath, or if not underneath, like I can see while I'm making my recipes, while I'm preparing whatever I'm doing, I can see it right on the screen, and I'll be recording my cooking videos. Then when I'm vlogging, oh, I'm going to be seeing myself like, yeah. So guys, that is that. All right. So I'm going to close that, and this is the charger. Okay, what more do I have? Oh, it comes with 2 batteries. Oh my god. Are you serious? Yeah, it comes with 2 batteries. Oh, I'm lucky. This is 1 more battery. Wow. This is good. It comes with 2 batteries. Oh my god. Yes guys, it comes with 2 batteries. Oh, I love this. I love this. So what's this? Okay, this is the charging mount. This is to charge your battery. This is to charge your battery. And I think I got more stuff here. Oh yeah, this is the lens. This is the lens. I think it's called lens. I guess so. 14 to 45 millimeter. Yeah, this is it. This is how it comes. So guys, as I said earlier, this is my first time using camera. So I'm just going to try to see if I can switch it on. So to put your lens, you have to take this off. Then you have to open the cap. I think you have to like fix it till you hear the sound. Yeah, I tried. Then to use it, you have to like hold on to the cap here off. Okay, I'm supposed to be doing unboxing. All right, it's okay. So I think for you to start using the lens, for it to start working, you have to twist it. Let me try to see. I tried watching 1 or 2 videos on YouTube. Okay, there is a lock. You have to pull the lock, then slide it. Oh, wow. There is a lock here that you have to pull so it will slide out. Yeah. So let me see. I don't think there is battery inside to on it. Oh no, there is no battery, so it's not going to on. I'm going to charge it. Then I'm going to watch more videos on how to use it. And I would definitely make a video with this while vlogging. I'm going to show you the quality, okay? So I've been using my Samsung A6 to record right from the day I started my YouTube channel, which was the 5th of January 2019. So thank God for growth, thank God for savings. I managed to get myself this vlogger's kit. Yeah, for the tripod, I think all you just have to do is like mount it the way you mount your phone on your tripod. Yeah, so let me just try and do that quickly. I just want this video to be short. I don't want it to be too long. So this is how the tripod look like. Oh my god, like if you want it to stand, if you want it to bend, it have a 360 angle, and I love that. You can twist it to any side you want. I love it. Is it 360 or 390? I don't know, but it's okay. So this is the Rode microphone. Yeah, so you have to take this off the top. Let me show you guys more. So you just take your microphone, you slide it in. Yeah, so that's it. Then this is to connect the microphone to your camera. I hope I'm good at explaining, guys. If I'm not, pardon me. So you fix this to the back of the microphone. Wow, this is good. So I'm going to look for where to put this. Okay, where is the hole? Yeah, so this is where you're going to connect it to. You have a lock here, you just open it. Then you're good to go with your microphone. While vlogging, all you just need to do is to open your screen, twist it forward. I need to take this off to be able to twist it to myself. Oh god. Yeah, twist the screen to your face, then connect the microphone, then you're good to go. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lydia Isaac, and my Rode microphone is going to be giving me that voice vibe. Thank you guys, I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate you all watching me. I love you. I'm grateful for you guys subscribing to my channel, making this possible for me. If you guys are not watching me, I won't keep on making videos. I won't keep on making recipes, but you guys are there encouraging me with the views. I truly appreciate you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you very, very much. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this from me, and I'm going to be making videos with my new Canon, and I hope to give you guys good quality, improve on my editing to entertain you guys better. For now, keep on supporting your girl, keep on showing me that love. Bless up. Thank you.